going to be making a really pretty citrus floral soap today, and I'm going to be doing this kind of as a zigzag as it goes up the bar, going from a darker, 2 shades of a darker color up to a lighter shade. And I'm hoping that this fragrance doesn't accelerate too much. I'll get to that in just a second. I'm going to be using, my husband made me this mold, I love it, and I've got the caterpillar from Custom Craft tools, I think is what they're called, that I'm going to use for the tilting. So the colors I'm going to use are from Wholesale Supplies Plus. I have Jazzberry Red, and then I have Yellow Baby Duck. So I'll start off with the darker or more of the mica at the bottom, and then work my way up. Now the fragrance I'm going to be using, I have, these two are from Stock Fragrance, and they're very, very quick moving. They're very fast moving. Stock Fragrance is more of a perfume type scent. So say if you have a floral, sometimes it's like kind of a soft floral, whatever. This would be more of like a perfume type high-end thing that you spray on yourself. So it's, that has that difference in there. I have Eglantine, which is a rose, and then Magnolia. Now, I think these are actually called something different now, but they both smell really, really good. These both discolor to white. I do feel that they both kind of have a little bit of a citrus to them. So I blended both these together, and then I mixed in, this is from Berry. I have some yuzu, which is a nice citrus. This one is decelerating, behaves super well. So I don't know if that's actually going to help or not. Sometimes when you mix fragrances, it's kind of unpredictable. So sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't. So we're gonna see. I'm going to end up, I think I'm gonna do, because I'm expecting it to move pretty fast, I'm probably going to very, very gently mix the lye solution in with my oils, and then pour off each layer because I'm expecting it to move faster. Because sometimes if you have a slow moving oil, you want to measure your oils and your lye out separately and then do each layer. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and emulsify this, just barely emulsify it, and then bring it to trace as I need it, because I'm expecting it to move a little faster. So what I'm going to do too is I'm going to measure out I have everything mixed together, my fragrances mixed together here. I'm going to go ahead and measure that out beforehand instead of measuring it into my mixed batter, because sometimes that, things can rise, whatever. I am going to be using plastic because I'm going to be doing very, very fast. Don't ever hold any fragrances in anything plastic longer than like just a few seconds, because it will eat through. You don't want to do that. So normally I wouldn't do that, and this is glass that's been sitting there for a while. So let me go ahead and clean things up a little bit, and we'll get started with this, and hopefully everything will move and I'll have nice crisp lines.